Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green shaded polygon, as you can see in this given diagram, such that all these angles are 90 degrees each, and moreover, this horizontal segment length is 5 units, whereas this vertical segment length is 4 units, and finally this vertical segment length is 3 units. And now our task is to find the perimeter of this polygon. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Since we are interested in calculating the perimeter of this given green shaded polygon. And now let's recall the definition of perimeter. It is just simply sum of the boundary length. In other words, the sum of horizontal segment lengths and likewise the sum of vertical segment lengths as well. So therefore now our task is to calculate the horizontal segment lengths and the sum of the vertical segment lengths as well. And when we add these two sums, that is going to give us the perimeter of this polygon. And now let's go ahead and calculate the horizontal segment lengths first. And first of all, we can see that this top horizontal segment length is 5 units. And here in this next step, I have dropped these vertical lines. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this individual segment length is going to be equal to this individual segment length. The segment length, this one, is going to be equal to this segment length. And finally, this segment length is going to be equal to this segment length, and we know this whole length is 5 units. So therefore the sum of these three individual lengths is going to be equal to 5 units as well. So therefore the horizontal sum is going to be segment length 5 plus 5 once again. That is going to give us 10 units. So thus our horizontal segment length turns out to be 10. And likewise, we are going to calculate now the vertical sum as well. And here in this next step, I have dropped these horizontal lines as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this whole segment length is 4 units. So therefore, this segment length is going to be 4 units as well. And if I label this segment length as x, then this segment length is going to be x as well. So therefore this remaining segment length is going to be 3 minus x. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this vertical segment length equal to this vertical segment length. This is 3 minus x. So therefore this is going to be 3 minus x as well. So therefore our vertical segment length is going to be simply sum of these numbers, 3 minus x plus 4 once again, and then plus x, and this plus 3. Let's go ahead and add them up. So I'm going to write down 3 minus x first, and then plus 4 once again, then plus x and plus 3. And here we can see negative x and positive x, they cancel each other out. And now we are going to add all these constants, and that's going to add up to 14. So thus our vertical sum turns out to be 14. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this given polygon. And the perimeter is going to be the sum of these vertical and horizontal segment lengths. So therefore I can write 14 plus 10, that is going to give us 24 units. So thus the perimeter of this given green shaded polygon turns out to be 24 units. In other words, the perimeter of this green shaded polygon is going to be 24 units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.